Performance Max campaigns help advertisers access all Google Ads channels and inventory from a single campaign. In this video, we'll dive into audience signals, which is a new feature available in Performance Max campaigns. You can combine your knowledge of your business's audiences with Google's automation and deep understanding of consumer intent, preferences, and context, and add audience signals to guide automation to find new customers and drive more conversions for your business. With Performance Max campaigns, you can cast a wider net while maintaining relevance to drive better results for your business goals. By adding an audience signal to your campaign, you can help it ramp up and drive results faster. Audience signals tell automation who is most likely to convert and help you meet your goals. And with this information, you can find more converting customers faster. Let's take a closer look at how this works and best practices for inputting audience signals. We recommend adding audience signals, with the two most important ones being custom segments and your data, which includes first-party data such as website visitors and customer match lists. Customer Match allows you to upload a list of your existing customers or ones who have previously made a purchase, including customers who purchased offline or in store. Your data helps Performance Max campaigns learn about the types of consumers who have engaged or purchased from your business. This helps us find you more of these valuable customers. Automation also helps you drive additional conversions by uncovering new customer segments you may not have known about before or expected. For example, a business that offers online music classes may share customer match lists of customers who have previously enrolled in virtual courses or signed up for one-to-one coaching. Google Ads automation uses your inputs to speed up Performance Max ability to find you similar and new converting customers. Next are your custom segments, which let you provide information about what your potential customers might be interested in, so you can reach them more easily when they search for specific products and services. The same online education advertiser might input relevant keywords, URLs, and apps around terms like online piano lessons or how to learn to play guitar. You can also add other relevant audience segments based on interests and detailed demographics, such as in-market segments or affinity segments. For instance, this advertiser might also want to add an in-market segment of people interested in musical instruments and accessories. Google Ads automation then builds on the audiences you already know, so you can reach new, valuable audiences beyond your inputs. This helps you maintain relevance while capturing new customer segments to help you achieve your performance goals. Once you've set up your Performance Max campaign with audience signals and let it run for a while, you should take a look at the Insights page to help you better understand your audiences and results. Audience Insights allow you to understand which audiences are performing well and where your conversions are coming from. With Audience Insights, top-performing audience segments are surfaced and may be labeled as signal or optimized. Signal segments are audience signals that you added, while optimized segments were the ones that you did not add, but that the automation found for you to help you unlock additional conversions. This knowledge helps you identify what audiences are performing well and discover new audiences you hadn't considered before. Use Performance Max campaigns and new features like audience signals to help you get to the next level of digital marketing performance for your business. For more helpful tips, including ones on how to set up Performance Max campaigns and evaluate results, check out our full best practices guide on the Google Ads Help Center.